Hi, my name is Tim Wilhelmus and I'm one of the EVSC ICATS, and the purpose of this screencast is to help you, the student, um, find and get access to three important digital tools for learning. And so we're going to be looking at specifically the RDS Gradebook, the My Big Campus Learning Management System, and Google Apps. So those are three great tools to know about and to know how to get into. We're going to start with the grades. You might have heard of them called RDS or EdEase. There are a couple of places where you can access the starting point for this. The first one is on the student e-learning page, which is the page that opens when you open a browser on your netbook. If it isn't that page that opens when you open your browser and you want to find this page, it's academics.evsc.k12.in.us/elearning/hs. And so that's one place where you can find that. Really quickly, there's another, which is the EVSCschools.com website. And right up in the upper corner is the EdEase Parent Access button, and you can click on that and it will take you to the exact same place. But we're going to use the student e-learning page because that's the one you're most likely to use. So here we are, and then from this page all you have to do is click on the grades button. And by clicking on that, it opens this page. Now, if you already have your account set up, then all you need to do is put in your username and password. If you haven't set up an account because you're new to the corporation or because you just haven't ever done it, when you go to school in the first few days, you'll get a letter to take home that includes an activation code. And that activation code can then be placed in this field right here, and you can click Create an Account. And then it's a pretty simple procedure to set up that account. And then as far as the once it is set up, then you come to this page and you just simply enter your username and password. And once you've done that, you just click Login, and this page will appear. And in the upper left-hand corner, your name should appear. And when it does, all you have to do is click on that name and it will open up the gradebook, and you'll have access to not only your grades as they appear in the gradebook, but also your attendance, your discipline record, your standardized test scores, and that type of information. So that's a valuable tool for you to kind of keep track of how you're doing in your schooling. The second tool that we want to look at is the My Big Campus Learning Management System. And again, we're going to start right from the EVSC e-learning page, student e-learning page, and all you have to do is click on the My Big Campus button and it will open this page. Now when you log into My Big Campus, all you have to do is put your first name, last name, and the password that you use to log onto your netbook, and then you'll put in your school. And there's a way to select that. I've got the corporation because that's I don't work in one school, but I work for the corporation. But for you, you would look up your school, and all three of those fields need to be filled in correctly. And once they are, then all you have to do is hit Login. And once you hit Login, it will open up My Big Campus for you, and you'll have access to the learning management system that your teachers can use to communicate with you throughout the day and really 24/7. So this is a great tool for you. It's got a drive for you to store files. It's got a calendar. It's got your groups, which include the courses that you're enrolled in, and your activity feed. So again, we encourage you to use My Big Campus, and the way you get there is from the e-learning page. The last tool that we wanted to identify was the Google Apps tool, and again, from the student e-learning page, you click Google Apps. Once you've clicked that, it will invite you to log in. This time when you log in, you're going to put in an email address, which is your first name, last name, at evsck12.com, which is a Gmail address that has been provided for you by the EVSC. Then you'll put in your password, the same password that you use to log into your netbook, and once you have that, click Sign In, and that will bring up this splash page. And this splash page gives you access to several Google apps, including Google Mail, your Google Drive, which includes Google Docs, and your Google Calendar. Again, a very valuable tool for you and a great way to collaborate with your classmates and to communicate with your teachers. So, we hope that you'll use all three of these tools and that you'll access them through the student page that we've provided. And have a great day.